Hello guys! If you want to know how to create your own server template on Discord, this video is for you. Well, first of all, I want to show the server channels and the roles permissions so you can check that nothing will change from one server to another when using a template. Now to create the template, we want to go into Server Template. Put any name and description, and generate it. Now copy the link and you can use it or send it wherever you want. Choose a name for your server and create it. And as you can see, nothing has changed, all the channels keep the same. Same with permissions. You can also edit permissions, channels, or even delete them. If this tutorial was useful for you, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks for watching.